this session, we are going to make a very simple tic-tac-toe game. I like this project because it is a recyclable project. We have collected bottle caps and we are using a 4x4 inches piece of felt. But you can use a recyclable piece of material that you have from a shirt or a pants or anything like that. And this is the easiest craft you will ever do. All you have to do is draw the grid on the paper and then you write your zeros and X's on the bottle caps. And you can measure it, but since it's a game, I'm not going to. And we're just going to draw our tic-tac-toe grid. This is also a nice game you can keep in your pocket. There we have the grid, and now all we need to do is to draw our zeros and X's on our bottle caps. Now, if you don't have bottle caps or you want to do something different, an alternative is to use buttons. You need 10 buttons and you can write your zeros and X's on your buttons. I hope you have lots of fun playing tic-tac-toe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.